Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 Lite and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see the second bar is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options to choose from: the off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted. So now we can go back to the camera and simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, of course you can turn off the timer in the same way. Simply enter the settings and tap on this off option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.